Viral news. Everything viral. Today, we're going to talk about Dane Watson. Yeah, my people. Also, we're going to talk about Buju. And also, my viewers and subscribers, we're going to talk about what Fitz Jackson had to say about the shooting that took place down at Granville, St. James, yesterday. Now, my people, on your screen right now, this is none other than Dane Watson. This gentleman, where you see, look kind of decent in him face, but my viewers and subscribers, don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. Enough of them boy, you see, I be a woman them get rid of. Be a woman strength them have, my people. Be a woman strength them have. This youth here, get rid of the tourists that come at Jamaica to come spend some quality time with this man and scream of people. Believe it, yes or no. You have some serious man where they are Jamaica right about now. So you see some of them female there, where they overseas, you have to be careful of who on a date. Be careful of who on meet on them site here. Because enough of them boy turn on them camera and show like say them innocent. Them are criminal. Because I don't understand what could I run a female mind to analyze the woman will come out here on her birthday, her special day where she born, and she come out here to come spend her time and her energy with the youth here. And the man think otherwise, my viewers and subscribers. And people, we get to understand, say, yo, him never want time that use her. Yes, my people, and I joked in this. So big up to the man them out there, we know say you married to a fine woman, and you take care of her, you not abuse her, and you make sure say, yo, she dey close by your side. Now the police come out to them people and say them have a strong case against Dane Watson. So they are very confident. So that brother here are going to place behind bars soon and very soon. So head of the St. James Police Senior Superintendent Aaron Samuel said the police have a strong case against Dane Watson, the man who has been implicated in the unaliving of Melissa Samat, the dual Jamaican American citizen who died at the Corner Regional Hospital in late April. Samat was dropped off at Corner Regional Hospital on April 29 by an unidentified man. She was later pronounced dead. SSP Samuel says Watson surrounded to investigators on May the 15th. Now, my people, when you hear that, I'm not joking this, a serious thing this, my people. A serious case this. So the man basically, as what the news say, and me I bring it up again over and over, the people, the man abused the female, unalive her, and bring her to hospital. When I believe that, oh my gosh, my people, John Star, them man are sick. My viewers, we can't feel sorry for man like them here. What we say? We can't feel sorry for man like them here. Look how woman sweet, brother. Eh? Look how woman nice. A woman bring forth children in the brother. We know woman have them dirty ways in the youth. But no for want to use the woman them forget things. You see me? I want to get what I want. Want to abuse the woman them, brother. Eh? Enough woman come out here and married to Jamaicans, you know, and get them overseas. And when them go over there, them change. Them a different person. Enough woman right now send money and barrel. Come give the youths them that they get to an uptown opportunity. And the youths them waste it. You see me? Want it, can't get it. Get it, and want it. So the police them are going to deal with Mr. Watson and put him behind the bars and teach him a lesson. Brawling. No joke thing about that. Now we're going to move on, my viewers and subscribers. We're going to talk about Buju. Now Buju made a big rounds on social media yesterday when she was conned up, brawling in a mega day. And a joke thing that my people, the whole social media side, it was on CCTV. Brawling, my people. Now this is Buju on your screen. And you can see say Buju as somebody popular down at Granville St. James. No joking about that, my people. The people them know Buju. The police them know Buju. And for those who saw the video that went viral on social media, they can see clearly that Buju moved the vehicle with not an intention to lick down that police officer who pulled the trigger. You see me? And sadly, she did not make it, my viewers and subscribers. Get a youth, get a girl. We have to fight for a right. You see me? Now, the MP for the area was down there, my people, and trust me, she herself come to the conclusion that something went down. This no look right. You see me? It no look right. It no smell right. It no come out right to the public eyes. Because there's no way at all. You can tell me, say, a police I can take out him service weapon and squeeze one at a resident. You see me? And then throw in a back of a van, police van, and then drive off with her and thing. And you know me, I say, my people, John one star. And everybody bad down at St. James peeps. Get the thing right now. I want to understand this, you know. Because I say social media, most persons say, yo, this girl was slapped away innocently. And you have some people come out and they say, boy, the girl did wrong because she shouldn't move the vehicle and all kind of things. You see me? But even if she was instructed to put the vehicle in park and she decides to check a driveway, she don't have her rights to drive away, you know, my people. Because the police was doing a spot check. But that not give the police the right to squeeze the trigger. My viewers, this look fishy, something in something. I feel say them police here have something against Buju. And we get to understand say the police them who dash for Buju is the same police them who dash for a 17-year-old youth in the community, my viewers. And then we get to understand say Buju is a woman who want peace in the area. And you know, so them lawmanded down there so. Them that want a peace, them want to continue the shagries what them are going with down there so, my viewers and subscribers. And it's sad if you know say the woman lose her 3 points just like this, my people. John Star. Wow. I swear. Now listen to this, people. The policeman at the center of the unaliving of the female motorist has been indicated. You see me? According to a release from the Constable Communication Network, CCN, on Sunday evening, the police high command made the immediate decision after reviewing preliminary information including CCTV footage. CCN says the matter has been reported to both the Independent Commission of Investigation and the Incorporated Professional Standard Oversight Bureau, which have opened a fully investigation. You see me? Now, my people, the opposition come on board now and blast the police officer and make you know say suspension are no longer enough. Opposition express outrage over Sunday's Granville police fatal shooting. Opposition spokesman on national security, Fitz Jackson, says that while the acknowledgement, the swift action of the police high command to interdict the officer involved in yesterday's fatal shooting in Granville, St. James, in the immediate suspension are no longer enough. The incident, which resulted in the death of a woman, occurred in the afternoon and was captured on a closed-circuit television CCTV camera. The footage has gone viral on social media. You see me? Mr. Jackson expressed outrage and sadness at a woman's death, which he noted happened during a community protest over a fatal shooting of a 70-year-old boy by the police in the same area a week ago. He stressed that it would take much more than an interdiction to fix the deep breakdown of trust between citizens and lawmen. The spokesman also called on Granville residents to remain calm and allow justice to be lawfully pursued. You see me? Now, my viewers and subscribers, come on, man. Come on, man. This not sound right. The people, them, want justice. I'm not sorry for go. No, my peeps. Jano. And I agree with what the Fitzjacks, I agree with what Fitzjacks has to say about this thing, and my people, because, yo, enough is enough, man. Enough is enough. Them police are not them work. All them do are just come on scene and move like an aggressor. And people can't get them not shot because them abuse them power. Them have so much power than me and you in the society, my viewers and subs. Now we are going to move on now, people. We're going to talk about what senior attorney Bert Samuel has to say about this incident where this producer faces life imprisonment for fake firearm. So attorney says justice system fair producer sentenced over fake guns. The senior attorney Bert Samuel is calling on the Governor General to pardon music producer E1 Price after the Kingston producer was sentenced in the connection with imitation firearm reportedly found at his house. Price had told investigators the items were being used as props for music videos. However, he was convicted in the gun court and sentenced to 15 years for possession of prohibited weapon, along with life imprisonment for stockpiling firearms. Samuel says the case is a traversary of justice, arguing that Parliament created a law that leave judge with little rumbles weight and circumstances of each. You see me? Now, my viewers, I'm not joking that's very serious. Jamaican justice system fail the youth. Because once, I'm going to tell you again, people, you see, once it's fake, in a real, there should be no question about that. Straight freedom. You see me? This youth here should have walk, well, not necessarily walk free, but if should get a warning or even a month or something like so. You see me, I make him pay some money for him stupid action. But when you come, when it's this justice system decides, say, yo, you know, say, we are give a youth here 15 years and, you know, life imprisonment because him that stack it up and thing. That not look good at all for Jamaican justice system. Now we're going to talk about, we're moving on now, people. We're going to talk about this ratchet scamming youth here where tell the woman say in America so she must sell her house and make him get the money. My viewers and subscribers, I touch upon a topic here. I'm going to touch upon it again, my people. I swear, this ain't no joke thing. That's what I tell the woman them say, you know, so when you see some man drive some Chris car and them come out and I show off and take out money and I go out with that bag of thing and I show like a showcase this. Don't frighten for some of them because low life boy, yeah. Some old grandma money them a collect and make the people them homeless. Now we see these people, honey, sell your house. Rentless Jamaican fraudulers. You see me? Jailed after US 22 million package lie bankrupt American retiree. You see me? Jamaican scammer Richard Carty urged a 73-year-old American woman to sell her house and send him the proceeds after she complained in early 2021 that she had run out of money paying the endless taxes and fees she believed were required to claim the suspected US 22 million jackpot. Jaja, Yo, my peeps, but telling you again, you know, they can't feel sorry for them boy, you know. Them boy are evil, you know. Them youth are pray after the little elderly people in America and other countries. Them pray after them. Them just sit down and wait on the right time. When the right phone call come in, them just trick them and take their money. And then them go buy what them want buy them big house, big car, and do what them feel like for them people. But may I tell you guys, who feels it knows it. It hard to be a senior citizen around the world because the man them a come for no. Yeah. And guess what happen now the people? People that get smarter and smarter, you know. And I can tell you, enough of them youth that get catch. Enough of them is seeing people and them are driving a big fast car and I say to yourself, so hold on there. Then all me a work and I can't get a car. All me do my business. You see me? And I can't get a car, but yet still a youth. Where you see broke yesterday. Today I'm in a big train, big top car, and him a make crazy amount of money. I want to tell yourself, so Jesus peace. How him get that? We are moving on, people. We're going to talk about taxi strike, which should take place today. Yeah, man. Monday, today, name. So PPV operator expected to stage strike across Jamaica on Monday. And don't forget this, now, people. Don't forget this. We are expecting a fare increase very, very shortly. So I feel say this is probably the reason why them man are protest. And then probably say enough is enough. Yeah. So we're going to read something right about now. Attention is expected to be in firmly placed on transport come Monday following reported intentions of a planned strike action by public passenger vehicle PPV operators in regards to fare increase. In a circular by the Jamaica Conservative Force, JCF, High Command, noting received information that there will be a strike by PPV operator tomorrow, May 18. It is also noted anticipation of political attempts by some disrupt traffic as part of such activities. While such an organized activity by the respective PPE representative bodies has not been publicly announced, there have talks above unease about around the topics of the fare increase in recent times. Now, my people, when I have asked Christ, the man them want the increase, and them now stop until them get the increase because what? Things and time get tougher. Gas price gone up and all these things. So everything I got increase right about now in a Jamaica, my viewers and subscribers. But may I tell you, the people them when not earn that much money, them are gonna feel it. The man and woman them, the grandfather them when know say you have to depend on the taxi motor because the bus take long for come. We not gonna feel it, my viewers and subscribers. And enough of them right about now. Them in a desperate situation right now. Them can't define a bus safe to send themselves back to work. My viewers, just because of the minimum wage for people. And then now gas price gone because the whole thing are going to Iran. You see me? And you mean for tell me say yo the man gonna put give increase right about now and couple years they did that next increase, my people. January start. It's all the poor people alone are gonna feel this, you know. The poor people alone are gonna feel that one of them. Are gonna feel it hard to them body. Them are gonna feel yo, I truly don't even know my people. Them are gonna feel it. I swear. You see me? But who feels it knows it, my viewers and subscribers. Remember, please like and share, my viewers and subscribers. Now that's the news, you know, viral JA, you know. Yeah. Big up to everybody who tune in. Big up to everyone who like and share, my people. Remember, I tell you now, Jamaica is not a real place. A whole thing I go on in our country, we have to come and highlight. Make the people them know what go on. Because the youths nowadays now, them nah help on them body. See me, man, I dash a woman. Man, I do all kind of different things just for get money. Man, I tell woman say they must sell them house. Look how Buju drop out. The police them nah do them work. You see me? I be aggressiveness. The people. So let's upon the safe as usual, you know, man. I know the whole thing going on. If you not subscribe, you can't do this news around here. So So big up on a nice clean self. Calm me gone now. Blessings.